What are we doing today? We are working on this board here. And if you look at this right here, that is flux. Flux the board. Move the board down. We are going to reflow these two capacitors because they're not right. And this little part here, we need to touch up on these little contacts, because these contacts, so I can do this. These contacts right here. Contacts kind of nasty looking. I got this in from a guy who's been trying to do his own work, and we are just going to help him out. You brought it to the pro. I appreciate that. This is an iPhone board. Pretty cool. So let's get to work. This is the bench I've always got.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's carrots?
Sometimes my wires don't reach as far as I want, so I gotta kind of improvise. Should be good. No good. I'm just going to flux. Hit it like that. And that flux takes care of 90% of what I need to do. I'm just reballing those. Just a quick touch like that. Just puff them up like that. Look at that. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to come over here. And I'm going to hit this. Boom. And I'm going to have to reflow that. So I'm going to turn this off and restart the airflow machine, which I'm using a quick 861DW, which are professional machines. Not the, I mean, even the guys in New York who trained me. I mean, look, the big $20,000 machines, man, I'm good. I don't need that much power. Just to show you what the bench life is like of working on small electronic boards. And shoot us an email. I'd like to create a little community here at Casey Hacker Lab of, just sharing great information, and creating something. I went over there. I'll share my experience at Hammerspace, which was really neat in Kansas City. I went over there the other day. Awesome dudes. Got to talk to Dave. So, I mean, I was just blown away by their operation. It's just so smooth, so seamless, so professional, and it's a little makerspace in one place. And it's really important because there's not anything like that across the country. So, big shout out to those guys. Thanks for having me. And hope you learned something. And please like, comment, share. And we'll see you next time. All right. Take care, makers.